Hello and welcome. Today we are going to deal with first chapter of economics, development. I'll try to make this easy and interesting as possible. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into this class. Let's look at what is development. Basically, it's progress, something that can be better than before. Now, different people will have different development goals. So basically, there are two types: material and non-material goals. So material goals will be house, car, money, etc. Non-material will be respect, equality, freedom, etc. Always remember that what may be development for one may not be development for the other. In fact, it can be even destructive. I'll give you an example. Suppose a dam is to be built in a particular place. It will be a development for the industrialist, for generating electricity, etc. It won't be development for the residents of that place because they will be displaced. They have to be moved from that area. The development for one may not be development for the other. Now that's about us. What about the nation? Let's look at national development. Now USA is called as developed country, India is called as developing country. What factors does this developed and developing nations depend on? The factor is income. Let's look at this in depth. Average income of a country. So what is average income of a country? An income of an average person of that particular country in that particular year. You got the point? I'll repeat that again. Income of an average person of that country in that particular year. There's a formula which can help us to find out what is an average income of a country. And what is that formula? Very, very easy. Average income of a country is equal to total income of people divided by total number of people in that particular country or in that particular state. Okay, I'll repeat that again. Average income of a country is equal to total income of people divided by total number of people. Average income of country is also called as per capita income. Now, per capita income can differ from state to state, country to country, etc. There are other important factors which development depend on. IMR, infant mortality rate. So what is infant mortality rate? It indicates the number of children that die before the age of 1 year per 1,000 live birth in that year. Okay, I repeat that again. Indicates number of children that die before the age of 1 per 1,000 live birth in that year. And what about the literacy rate? Measures the literate population which can read and write in the 7 and above age group. Now, public facilities make a huge difference in development. Public facilities such as clinics, hospitals, PDS, public distribution system, the ration shops, adequate number of schools make a huge difference. Let's look at something called HDI. Very simple, Human Development Index. Now this looks after ranking of countries based on their development. Human development ranking is basically ranking that is based on development of a country. So what do they look into? They look into life expectancy. Now what is life expectancy? Basically average length of life of a person. They also look into education. They look into per capita income. This all comes under HDI. Now it is very, very important for us to live sustainably. So what is sustainable development? Basically development that takes place without damaging the environment. So there are renewable resources And there are non-renewable resources under this. Renewable resources are replenished by nature, like sunlight, groundwater, etc. Non-renewable resources cannot be replenished. Example, crude oil, coal, etc. That's it for today. See you next time. Take care. Thank you very much.